I am in Hope Bay, Portland, and I'm about to eat some of the best brown stew fish in the entire Jamaica.
Say the world.
Say the world. Wow, nice. We are here with Miss Rose at Likkle Portie. Miss Rose.
Welcome to Likkle Portie, Nick.
Oh my God.
Yes, this is where you get the chance to choose your fish.
Wow.
We wait, then we're prepared for you the way you want it.
Wow.
So it's your call. So you indicate to me which one you want. I put it in the scale.
Wait.
Yes.
Oh my God. Oh, what type of fish you normally do?
Red snappers.
Wow.
I get
Strictly
my
red
fish.
snappers.
Yes, red snappers.
Oh
Sometimes
yeah,
we have
and we see some just across there.
Yeah,
no coming in.
Yes,
Oh.
we just clean them on the river.
Oh,
so
yeah.
that's another batch of red snappers.
Nice. And sometimes you have parrots, you say.
Sometimes we have jack.
Wow.
Sometimes we have bonito, Diego. We sell every fish, but
Wow.
it's really what's available at the given time.
Nice. Oh my God.
Yes.
Crazy. And as you hear Miss Rose say, as fresh as it get, we have some fish are coming right now. Look on this. Ho. Fresh fish inside the kitchen. Fresh fish coming again. Oh my God, look on this. Oh my God. Them snapper here huge, as fresh as it get. Natural, authentic vibes. So we are going inside the kitchen. We are going to choose a fish, and you don't know Miss Rose is going to prepare that for we today, right here. Likkle Portie vibes. Yeah, man. Feel like we go with that one.
Alright. So there we go up in the scale, a pretty pound. One lovely pound. One lovely pound. So you're going to tell me how
nice
you want him to be prepared.
Alright.
So you can have it fried in escovitch. You can have it brown stewed. You can have it steamed. You can have it curried. You can have it roast.
Oh, wow. And what about shrimp?
Shrimp is garlic butter or curried, fried, pepper. Anyhow you want it.
Oh, yes.
All of them
Seafood
done to
vibes.
order. So you don't have to have any regrets. Say, boy, I never want it this way.
Oh my
Because
God.
it's done to order.
You
just
get what
have
you
it
want.
how you want it. And that's exactly how we do it.
Wow.
If you have pressure problem and you don't want no salt, you get it without.
Without salt.
Anything where you don't eat, you tell me don't put it in.
Oh
You tell
my
me what you
God.
want and I put it in.
This is the best place to get your fresh seafood just
The way
as
you
how you want it. Crazy vibes. We are heading at the kitchen with Miss
Right
Rose
now.
today. Natural vibes.
Like a brown stew fish now.
Yes. Oh yes, we're inside the kitchen right now, and my fish is right here. Crazy vibes. This smell. Oh my God, this is smell of heaven. Bird fruit are right here upon the fire. Roast down. We see a lot of pots. Miss Rose is about to prepare some.
Bird fruit upon the fire.
And them turn.
Yes, man.
Oh.
For yesterday.
Oh.
Pick them so we drain them and then
Wow.
turn now so
Natural vibes.
extra nice.
Oh yes.
So yes, so I go start
Fish.
process the fish preparation now. So we get off all of these excess. I'm not going to eat them. So we take off your excess amount of fins and all the other stuff where we know you're not going to partake of. Turn off the pipe.
Nice. Have some shrimp over here. Actually gonna eat some curry shrimp, also some spicy curry shrimp, and some brown stew fish. Look on this.
When we do the brown stew, we frame and then we make a nice brown stew sauce with a crispy edge fire. Not saggy, just
Not
firm
saggy.
and nice.
Wow.
So we had a little salt to taste,
Wow.
just a little. And you know fish and pork not serve fresh. But if you come
Yeah.
and you just don't want no salt, we still prepare without the salt. Right. Right.
Wow.
Alright. We're adding a little seasoning onto this, which is, it's always your choice whether you want it yes or no. You must want it.
Oh yes.
Alright, so now to get the fish to taste the way we want the fish to taste, we use a lot of garlic.
Oh.
We either blend the garlic and the onion or grate it. The reason being we're grating this morning is just a single fish. On a busy day, when we have a lot on our hands, we blend a nice batch. Yes, Nick. So, with all this done now, we rub in your season. Rub them in your neck. The garlic get up in the throat. You ever hear Granny say rub the garlic in the fish throat?
Yes. Oh, this is it.
Yes. Rub the garlic up in the fish. Alright. That is you. So I'm going to saute for a little while.
Wow. Nice.
And I'm going to put on the big fry pot now. Yes, so I'm going to give you breadfruit, bami, and rye plant in this one because you're going to have the curry shrimp.
Oh yeah.
And the curry go down well with the rye plantain.
Oh,
I'm going to give you some fried rye plantains.
With bami.
With the bami.
And breadfruit.
And breadfruit.
Oh my
a nice
God.
blend because the breadfruit turn, plantain ripe, and then you have the bami and the other with the other taste.
You guys, if you never come to Likkle Portie, you know miss out big time.
Alright.
Crazy.
You see the planting under the firewall?
Oh.
Yes. We plant most of what we use, we plant them.
Whoa.
Yeah, and that's the pimento wood that we use.
Pimento wood.
Yeah, that's what we use for cooking.
Them said it's flavor the food. True.
Yes.
Whoa. I believe so.
I have a firm belief in that.
Oh my God.
Yeah. I have a firm belief.
Planting there, ripe planting, green planting, also pimento wood under there. Tons and tons of pimento wood for the fire. Never run out. No time at all. Wow. Yo, this fish is looking so good already. And it's not even going at the eyelet. Man.
Steve, come consult us from the others that we buy and sell.
Wow. What kind of natural juices you normally do?
Like June plum, we do a nice coconut pine. That's the one we use the coconut water and the pineapple with the star fruit and coconut.
Right here from off the land?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
June plum, we do sorrel. When I have my own sorrel, I buy it. Yeah. Apple, anything that is actually in season, you know.
Naturally.
Yeah, we use it. Anything that is in season, we use it. But last night, I go down left my ginger, man. I made the juice overnight. But I go down left my ginger last night. This morning, I told me, so I put the ginger on the phone. That the ginger.
Oh my God, Miss Rose is a whole vibe. Miss Rose is a whole vibe. You guys have to come here, come take in some food, the scenery, the vibe, everything just natural, authentic, and you get a nice, warm welcome when you come here from Miss Rose. Crazy.
And we don't serve middle, we serve heavy. Everybody eat us for a box to go.
Wow.
Yeah, we don't serve stingy.
Wow. No stingy serving.
No.
Wow.
We serve you, make you eat and full and put in your box and carry home.
Wow.
Always.
Oh my God.
Always. But if it's one thing we never like feed somebody and then say their stomach not full.
No full.
It not sound good.
Oh my God. Wow.
So I don't like that at all. So we're going to roll on the big pot now. One of the many big pots.
Nice. This is how you know a lot of goodness going in a them pot. The color it.
Yes.
The color of this. A lot of goodness pass through the pot.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh.
And I just the shade around the rim of the pot and the oil is really
Wow.
clear.
Naturally. Naturally.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot right here.
Okay. So here we got the carrot and okra into your brown stew.
See a lot of pepper over there.
Yes, man. Whole heap of pepper. And Nick saying is a pepper man, so.
Oh yes, I love my pepper, man.
Let me give you a red one.
Nice.
And one for the shrimp as well. Alright, the oil coming up to the peak now because if there's one thing you don't fry fish into, whole oil.
Wow.
The oil has to hot.
Well hot.
You ever hear people say they fry fish and they mash up?
Yeah. That is
no
when
hot.
it in the hot.
Right.
Wow.
No cold
Wow.
oil, no fry fish at all, bro.
Naturally.
Yes, that's it. So you love your plantains well ripe or just turned?
I prefer them when them well ripe, you know.
Alright, so then this one is yours. This is your plant.
This is the place where you actually get where you want.
Yeah,
Just tell her what you want and you get that. Wow. Beautiful.
We're gonna get you a lovely ripe plant. And the beauty about it, you know, Nick, when you grow your own stuff, you know, you have the ability now to serve at your own leisure.
Wow.
When you buy them, because it's so expensive, sometimes you have
Make
to
your
put to a little corner and, you know.
Make your skingy more.
Yes.
You know like them the skingy business.
So we have to make sure so we grow them.
Wow.
So you can, the customer can feel comfortable
Naturally.
knowing that they're getting just what they want and more.
Wow.
As me tell you, people eat and box and take home.
Wow. Naturally.
Always. So we're going to
Well
put
soaking.
Yes, man. Your onion and garlic goodness gone in. If it was fried, I would season it with the pepper, but because it's brown stew, I still have the chance now to put the pepper into the vegetable when we go into the brown stew.
Wow.
In you go. There you go. There you go.
Actually, as that going at the oil, you actually start smelling that garlic already. You actually start smelling the garlic already. Oh my god.
And
It smells so
because
good.
this one fish, you can go in with your plantain.
Wow.
The pot is that big.
Oh my god. Flavor bursting right through even the plantain.
Yeah, man.
Oh my god, that oil I give even the plantain the flavor. Natural vibes. Yeah man. And even the festival the day, breadfruit, fried breadfruit, everything could have gone into one oil because you don't know.
But
The flavor
sometimes
continues.
If the customer asks for it to be done separately, we do it because sometimes you have a group, one person don't eat seafood.
Yes.
Yes, so
True,
sometimes we have another pot that we decide others in.
True.
Because people have different choices.
True.
Yeah.
Wow.
Always. And we always try our endeavor best to please them.
Wow.
I don't know if you can eat more than 2 bundles, but we're going to give you 3 bundles today.
Yeah man, she nice. She alright.
3 slices of bundles.
Man, the fire is thick.
Yes, that is the fire. That's the fire.
Man.
Yes.
Oh yes. Oh yeah. Mommy's going in. A pot full of goodness.
Yeah. So with everything coming up along this, we make with drain bed.
Nice.
Yes. So when we fry, we drain on that.
Excess oil gone. Yeah. Oh my god. And while that is going on, you don't know the real authentic Jamaican vibe. The fire keep fanning.
Yeah,
yes,
man,
keep the fire going. Keep the flames going. Shrimp time.
This is a little piece of butter that I call curry. That curry is going to be good. That curry is going to be good.
Wow.
That curry is going to be good.
Can't wait to taste it.
Yeah. fish and going to take a lot of time to cook.
Oh man, no time at all.
No, once it's shell, you don't cook for long.
For real.
Overcooking will make your shell be hard.
Oh yeah?
If you yeah, lobster, crab, shrimp. Conch is the only one that really takes a good boil, but all the other shell food, once you overcook them, it gets hard. Yeah, so it's really timing that cooks this one.
Nice.
Yeah, that's shrimp are so much lovely. And because it's curry, always put a little sprang of thyme. No, man, I'm going to eat it roasted. Put a little sprang of thyme into your curry. It's meant to bury a little ginger. Well, the ginger had already gone in the season. Yeah, once it's curry.
Wow.
We always do the curry with ginger, thyme, pimento berry, sweet pepper.
Nice.
Which part do I got to the brown stew?
Curry going on, the fish just come out of that oil. Oh, can't wait to taste this breadfruit. We're getting breadfruit for side. Bammy, ripe, plantain, well fried, and sweet. Oh, can't wait to taste it. Oh man.
We'll move on now to the brown stew. Give the sauce a nice rich body.
Oh yeah.
Something in the stew. Put the oil in there. Alright, let me use some of that. Brown stew come together. Richly.
Oh man, this curry looks so
yeah, your curry ready there now.
vibrant, the color.
Yes, man, we use very good Indian curry.
Whoa.
Yeah, really good Indian curry. Brown stew with the papaya sauce. Oh, the sweet pepper stew up this stew.
No, I want it. You're not sweet pepper.
Alright.
Oh, you don't put all of the water one time.
No.
You put a little dose.
Yeah, but when you do, you want your sauce to have nice body. You're not drowny. You're not nothing big.
Whoa.
Yeah, so you don't really want drowny.
Oh, sorry.
You don't want drowny, man. You make the thing do for a level. Alright.
Oh my God, the technique.
Let me show
Look
you
on
the,
this.
look on the sauce. Look on the body of the sauce now. If you throw one big something of water in there, you can't get this consistency.
Oh my
Yeah.
God. The technique.
Yes. It's
Whoa.
not what but how.
Wow.
It's not what you do but how you do it.
Oh my God.
Yes.
I hope some of you guys can actually learn some of this technique from Miss Rose.
Yeah, man. The
Crazy.
cooking have a whole lot of cooking because both of us can do the same. We can cook the same thing.
And it tastes way different.
Way different.
Whoa.
Way different.
Whoa. Whoa.
We're bringing up this. We're bringing up. Sometimes when you take off the pot, as much as the pot come off of the fire, because of the excess heat where the pimento would push, you're surprised to know it's steer right on the fire while and the sauce just go down. That's why I'm pouring a little bit in it now.
Nice.
Let me just go and cover it now until we're ready to serve you.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh.
When we're ready to serve you now.
That curry shrimp is finished. I would say that fish finished. The bummy also ready. The fried plantain also ready. Breadfruit ready. It's just crazy. Waiting on the sauce now for pepper down. Throw that fish night. Crazy vibes. Oh yes.
Alright, that's the brown
Yes.
stew now.
Nice.
So we do the brown stew that's gonna get much sauce.
Nice. And exactly, it's not swimming.
Right.
Whoa.
That we never want.
Whoa. Oh man.
Yes,
Fried, well fried, and also cooked down in that juice, and then it's literally not soggy. You're still getting that
I
crispiness.
always do it with a crispy edge.
Wow, always with a crispy edge.
Yeah. So
Wow.
the edges, dry them off and cover them then. Alright, Nick, so I'm going to serve you a
Nice.
couple slices of the pear.
Oh
This is
man.
a lovely one.
Nice.
Lovely one.
Oh yes, it's actually pear season. I'm always telling you, it's pear season. So when you go restaurant,
Yeah, man.
a lot of
Pear the
restaurants now have pear inside, so you can ask for it. You can actually ask for pear
If
in
they
most
don't
restaurants
serve it,
now. If they
yes.
don't serve it, if they don't serve it, crazy vibes. I'm getting some pear, getting cucumber, getting some
And
nice
tomato.
slices of tomato. Oh yes, and the fish is finished. The shrimp is finished. It's now food time. Wow.
Alright, now Nick, plating time.
Nice. Man, that whole kitchen was a vibe. Crazy. So right now the food is actually coming by, and we can't wait for dipping at this. All of that technique, that vibe that she gave in the kitchen. You guys have to come here. Likkle Portie. Come and see Miss Rose. Come and eat some of this food. Come and take in this natural beauty. Crazy, crazy vibe. Big space. If you want to go way up, so go sit down when nobody no want to see. If you want to go way back down that side, go sit. If you want to sit in the middle, it's just crazy. And the space and the smell, everything is just authentic here. Every single thing is just crazy Jamaican authentic vibes. This place, I've learned that this place is actually a little island. It's just crazy beauty, natural authentic vibes, and the food is coming right now. Oh yes, yo, respect man.
Yes, sir.
Respect. Oh, nice. Man. Whoa. Oh, man. Thank you so much, man.
You're welcome.
Oh, a lot of food. The prawn stew fish, the curry shrimp, and those sides over there which consist of the ripe plantain, the breadfruit, the bami. Oh my god, we're gonna dip into this right now. Wanna know the vibes. Oh my god, this place is a vibe. This place is a vibe. Crazy. And the food actually prepares so fast, and I can bet this just the taste of this crazy vibe. So we have a big snapper right here. It is so big. This smells so good, and the curry smells so good. We have 2 slices of pear, one right here, one right there on the curry, and the sides right here, the breadfruit, the ripe plantain. We're gonna dip in a piece of the ripe plantain right now with some of this curry gravy. Oh, so thick. Oh man. This is heavenly taste. This is some heavenly taste. Wow. Not overcooked. Whoa. The fork just slide right through. Oh my god. Let's get a piece more of this plantain. Not burnt. Not it. Oh my god. This plantain is fried perfectly. Perfectly steamed right through, no burnt edges. Ooh. This curry tastes so good. This shrimp. Oh. Man. Let's get a piece of this roast breadfruit. And it's actually turned roast breadfruit. Some of this curry gravy also. Oh yeah. It's pear season. Ask for the pears when you go to restaurants. Them know it's actually pear season. You can't go wrong with few slices of freshly picked pear. Whoa. Oh. Want to dip in at this brown stew fish. All of this carrot, this okra on top right now. And piece of pepper. Oh yes, let's get some of this goodness. Okra, sweet pepper, carrot, crunchy. Flavorful. Fresh cucumber. Waff going at this fish. Oh, can't wait no longer. Oh, this big chunk of meat. This lady cooks with pure love. Whoa. Let's get a piece of pepper and piece of okra put on top of it. Look on this big chunk of meat. Just as how you want it. That's how she prepared it. Whoa. This is the vibe. This is the vibe. Ho. Cucumber, curry shrimp, right planted, tomato right here. Let's get some curry gravy on it. Oh. Sitting here under this little hut in the cool, eating this type of food. This is just life. This is life. Natural life. And the good thing is, with Likkle Portie, they're actually open every single day, even on Sundays. You can't pass through Likkle Portie. The bami, when I touch the bami, I'll know. Let's get some of this bami. Dip it in some of the curry gravy. This curry is so flavorful. This curry is so flavorful, and I don't think it up on the fire for 10 minutes good. Whoa. This pimento, it gives so much flavor when chewing this pimento. eating this type of food and chewing up the pimento, it bursts so much flavor in your mouth. It give it that vibe. Wow. Don't throw away your pimento seeds. Chew up the pimento when you see them. Chew up the pimento when you see them. Look at this. Oh. Chewing up the pimento with some of this gravy, just wicked. Wow. Yo, let's just enjoy this food, man. Fresh fish every single day. Every single day, fish is in the kitchen. Fresh fish, and fish is coming out of the water fresh. Wow. I have a bunch of carrots over this side. A bunch of carrots. A bunch of carrots and okra. Oh, let's get one of this shrimp on it with some gravy. I literally can't go wrong with these foods. This type of foods can't go wrong. And of course, this brown stew fish is not soggy. Fried down crispy and cooked down in just a little bit of gravy. And it also it let that crispiness remain on the edges of the fish, so you bite through the fish and it is soft and moist and getting that crispiness from the edge but not soggy. Wow. Cheese and it's fleshy and full of meat. Ooh. Wow. This curry tastes so good. I love this. This fish tastes so good. Everything in this plate, literally a 10 out of 10. Everything in this plate is a 10 out of 10. Wow.
Yes.
That food was a vibe. The fish, that curry, shrimp, the love and the technique.
Yes.
where Miss Rose used.
And you watch it cook so it tastes there.
I've been eating the food just straight without actually drinking. That is when you know food good.
Yes.
Miss Rose is here. This is Likkle Portie.
Yes, so we
Crazy
just want
vibes,
the
man.
world to know that we are spacey. We have enough space for everybody. We are never all that crowded, so you can come use the beach. You can use river and sea because we are actually in the delta. We have river and sea meet in the same area. And we have a big property. So you can come with the kids, they can ride a bicycle. You can ride your bicycle. We have customers that come and just bring them bike in the back of the truck and just ride. The kids can run up and down and play if it's a birthday, a wedding, anniversary, anything that attracts big crowd, we have the accommodation.
Wow.
We have it, and we have the food to back it.
And I have the food.
To back it up.
Whoa. Crazy vibes here at Likkle Portie. The food, the vibes is just crazy, as Miss Rose said. The place is not crowded. Big big land space. You just come on and just hold a vibe. A lot of fish in the river. The sea actually meets with the river. That's crazy vibes here. So you can hold a sea vibe or you can hold a river vibe. It's just natural, authentic vibes here in Likkle Portie. And yo, oh my god, belly feel it so good. Crazy authentic vibes. Likkle Portie vibes. Yeah man.